What's up everyone? So today we'll learn how to clip features using ArcPy. So before we jump right onto the console, first let us learn how to clip using ArcMap so that it gives us a better idea how to do it in ArcPy. So I have two layers with me. I have the highways, state highways of Karnataka and the wards of Bangalore city. I want to just clip these roads just to the outer boundaries of the Bangalore wards. So what I do is I use the clip feature. So I go to clip analysis. I use the input feature as Karnataka highways and I use the clipping boundary to be as wards. So when I do that, I would have only the highways bounded by the BBMP wards. So our output layer is now ready. So now to do the same thing in ArcPy, let us have an algorithm ready. So what I need to do is first input these feature class, make them as layers, then go to clip features, input Karnataka highway as my clip feature and the clipping boundary as BBMP wards. Once I do that, I can export the output to another shapefile. So the first thing that we do is import the package ArcPy. Now the first step is to locate our feature classes. So there are two feature classes in our study. There is Karnataka highway and BBMP wards. So we are trying to locate it. So location of feature class, first one is Karnataka highway. I provided this as a raw string. Next up is BBMP wards, and here too I provide the raw strings. So next step is, first we have to make a feature layer from the feature class. This is similar to adding data to your ArcMap from your directory. So what we do here is, ArcPy provides us a method called make feature layer management, and the input for this is, as you can see here, so in feature is the location of your input layer, input class, sorry. So I give it the name and then you need to call out the layer name. So let me call it as highway BLR. So similarly I need to make layer for my BBMP class, and let me name this as BBMP wards layer. Alright, so once this is, now the layers are ready. So now what we need to do is just clip it. So I need to clip highways to BBMP wards. So Arc provides us with a method called clip analysis, which takes the layer name as the first parameter. Which layer name? The layer that you want to clip. So in our case it is highway BLR. I put the, and then it says clip feature. So the clip feature here is BBMP words, and the last parameter is output feature class. So here it requires a name, or more precise, it requires the path where you would output your feature class. So let me name as outpath, and let me give an outpath directory. So I would store the outpath in my same location, but I would name as, let us name as highway BBMP clip. So here you can see I've named it as highway BBMP clip, and so this output path I've given as a third parameter. So this parameter takes in the location of the output class. So once this is done, let us save now. So after running the file, here you can see the file has run from the shell and we have our layers ready. So let me import this in my ArcGIS. Well, so as you can see, I have the clip feature ready.